Selling your goods and services online shouldn't be difficult. The information out there makes the entire process look so cumbersome. All we want to do is sell. How difficult should that be? Unfortunately, you as vendors online pay heavily to agencies and influencers and see no return on investments. Goods you buy sleep in your house until you either give them away as losses or you use them yourself. And sometimes it's not your fault. The information you get says you need to be techie, build a website, run emails, post 5 times a day, send WhatsApp broadcast messages. Not that any of this is wrong or that they don't work, but you just seem not to understand it, or you feel like it's too much work and nothing really comes out of that for you. But I guess all of that ends today. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, you will learn this new Facebook feature that has changed the game for most businesses online. This quick hack will not need you to target anybody on Facebook. Facebook does all the targeting for you. No need for a website, no need for funnels, no need for pixel, no need for email marketing, no need for long hours of learning, no need for any more extreme expenses on adverts that do not work. All you need is your phone, a PC as I recommend, a picture or a video of that product you want to promote, and less than 2,000 naira on ad spend per day. Like some of my students have done successfully, and you can see their testimonials right away. So what is this new hack that isn't common knowledge to everyone? Well, if you're watching this, I want to say welcome and I appreciate you for dropping by. I would like to be polite enough to introduce myself. My name is Ayodeji Olumoshe. I am a direct response consultant and I've indirectly trained thousands of people online, and I have also trained hundreds directly, sharing my knowledge and ideas to my community. I figured this new strategy would take the internet by storm. It happened when I was testing new ways of running ads when they struck. Coincidentally, a student of mine came across this new hack and she shared that with me too. We both put it to work and shared with many more of my students who have proven that it works pretty well for them too. So what is this hack? I'd like you to pay close attention because the next phase of this presentation is a demonstration of how to get started. You can leave here right now to set it up yourself quick and easy in a matter of minutes. First, you need a Facebook business account. If you don't know how to create one, stick around till the end and I'll show you how. Number 2, you need an ad account. Number 3, you need to add your page and payment method to Facebook. When you've done that successfully, the 4th step is to set your budget and choose your objective. In this case, we're going to choose traffic and then we're going to send straight to WhatsApp. Here, you'll be asked to connect your WhatsApp if it isn't already connected. After this, that's all you need. You don't need to target anyone. Facebook does all the targeting for you. Step 5, upload your picture or video. Click the publish button and wait for your results. Should be blowing up your phone with notifications if you did this correctly. That's right. Simple 5 steps. That's all you need. I'm probably hearing you thinking out loud, saying, is this all it actually takes? Well, I wish I could tell you that this is all it takes. Originally, if your account is old enough, is matured enough, you're supposed to be able to use this feature. But if you're using a new account, you're just opening a business account, or you've had business accounts before, but they've been restricted or you've been banned from using Facebook. Now you have to start afresh all over again. You might not be able to use this feature, okay? Which means that this is not useful for you. But you can still achieve similar results with an indirect hack that I also found out that will be very useful for you. So if you stick around to the end, you're going to be exposed to what this new hack is. That's similar to this result also. Even if you use this hack that I just showed you, there's a lot more that goes into trying to set it up, okay, so that you get results similar to this. Well, don't take my word for it. I had one of my students take my sales magic shortcut guide, and in less than 2 hours, he already made 2 sales. It's crazy. Okay, so this is not just about what I've told you that happened before, but what is happening right now as I'm recording this video. He did it with the aid of the Sales Magic Shortcut Guide. So what is the Sales Magic Shortcut Guide? This blueprint holds you by the hand to show you how to do the above strategy within 2 hours without breaking a sweat or losing sleep over it. The video guide was designed to save you time and effort, such that it is so easy to understand. A 7-year-old can take action with this guide because of its simplicity. No cumbersome, overwhelmingly crippling information. Straight to the point, 7 videos that show you how to set the whole process up in less than 2 hours. Here's what you learn. Step 1, create a Facebook business account. Step 2, connect your Facebook page to Instagram. Yes, you can run ads on Instagram through Facebook. Step 3, create and connect your ad accounts. Step 4, how to easily pay with your Nigerian card. Step 5, how to create cheap ads that convert. Step 6, the secret Facebook order vault. This is the main secret source that makes this whole system works. Okay, and step 7, the new account laser targeting hack is called the interest monopoly. Why this is important for the bonus step 7 is because if your account is new, sometimes Facebook might not allow you use the straight to WhatsApp, and that's why we need the other indirect hack that I'm about to show you. Okay, common problems you're likely to run into if you decide to go on without this guide. You're likely to get banned for violating policies. You're likely to get stuck while setting it up yourself. You're likely to waste time on YouTube sorting out thousands of videos just to get the one that works. Your new account might not be allowed to run ads straight to WhatsApp, just like I have said, or buy the shortcut for Facebook ad success. Get the sales magic shortcut today for only 10,000 naira today. Yeah, that is what I feel this is worth for now before I increase the price. Let me show you something. So over the weekend, I sent out a mail to my email list and a lot of them turned up to get the product. I gave a 90% discount for the launch price of this, and I got about 128 people who showed interest in less than 24 hours. This is live right now, as you can see, 128 people, and some other people paid via transfer. I'm just allowing about 500 people to take this opportunity. Instead of just giving this opportunity to my email list alone, I decided to run an ad to get other people who might be interested in this. However, it will expire when I hit 500 people. I don't know when you'll be watching this. I don't know if this is 2 days after, but when we reach 500, you will no longer be able to pay. 1,000 naira is a lot lesser than a subscription plan for Netflix in a month, right? So I'll be doing the same for you today to give you the opportunity to take this. But I will end this offer when I get to 500 people who have decided to take the offer at this low ball, extremely ridiculous 90%, meaning instead of paying 10,000 naira, you only pay 1,000 naira today for this. These are the bonuses you get if you're going to purchase today. You learn how to create better videos using Canva for free. You learn how to use Canva for Instagram content marketing for free. You learn the easy give me your money hypnotic copywriting that helps you craft good ad copies. You learn how to handle tough customers. You'll get my offer secret report that shows the real reason why people buy. You'll get access to my Telegram group support. You didn't get value for your money? I'll return it to you with no questions asked. We have a refund policy that covers your purchase for 60 days. So what are you waiting for? Pay via Paystack to gain immediate access to the Sales Magic Shortcut Guide. Paystack button is just below this video. Click on it and fill up your details and make your payment. Your ticket to infinite online sales and money. Think about what brought you here. Now imagine going back without taking an action to get this course. Same old struggles, no progress, no results. Or you take an action now to know you couldn't have gotten here by chance. Many people who are taking action right now will benefit from this new strategy. After a while, it might not work again, and then you'd have missed out on another opportunity. Get the Sales Magic Shortcut Guide now for 1,000 naira today for this. Thank you for participating, and I hope this has been worth your time. I look forward to seeing you in the members area and hearing about your testimonial soon. Take care.